welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. So today guys we are going to talk about guys how to connect Wi-Fi in our Realme phone device. So friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you connect your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to connect guys your Wi-Fi network. So then we will on our phone setting to connect Wi-Fi network. So friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, click on guys your Wi-Fi setting guys. So once you can see your Wi-Fi setting friends on your Wi-Fi to connect your Wi-Fi network. And guys, after guys refresh your Wi-Fi setting. So you can see guys your Wi-Fi network. So which network guys you have guys you want to connect in your Realme phone guys. How can you connect? So I want to connect my Wi-Fi network guys. This Mukesh Wi-Fi guys I have guys. I will enter my password. So enter your guys Wi-Fi password and guys you want to check password you can check from here. And guys you can see right option guys tap here to connect. And guys it will connect 1 4 and 5 seconds guys you can see connected. And guys you can use your Wi-Fi. You don't have mobile data so guys you can connect Wi-Fi network and guys you can use guys your Play Store app, YouTube app like that you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Wi-Fi. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.